What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Reg, and welcome back to another video. And as y'all can see, I got the Lexus Ls400 right in front of me, and today I decided that I'm gonna tell you guys how much I paid for my whole sound system. I noticed that when I did the review, my honest review, if you guys haven't watched that, go ahead and watch that. Pretty much reviewed all of the speakers, the subwoofers, the whole system, all of that. Gave y'all a whole good review on everything. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch that. But today I decided that I'm gonna tell you guys how much everything costs. And if you guys are new to the channel, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I got real quick, how much it costs. Turn on the sub so you guys can hear it. Probably play like 2-3 songs. So let's go ahead and get into the video. First, I want to start the video off by telling you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and open up the door. So I got this Pioneer double din right here. Also got Pioneer tweeters. I got 6.5 kicker speakers, which are the red line ones. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop them up on the video so you guys can see what I got as well. And mind you, 6.5 doesn't come in the door. They're actually 5.25, so I had got those custom made to, you know, fit in the door or whatever. And then let's go ahead and go into the back seat. Now I didn't do the 6.5s in the back seat. These are 5.25 kicker red line speakers back here. And then right in here, you guys can't see it, but I actually have 2 bullet Pioneer speakers right there, and they're loud. So open up the trunk, and back here I have the Kicker Comp Q12s in here with a 2500 watt HIFONICS amp running on his own battery, and another HIFONICS amp to go ahead and run all the highs and mids. And it's a little wet right here because I got a car wash and this thing is leaking. I'm gonna have to put a towel over here. Nice to know though. That's everything that I got, and also got a little backup camera, but I didn't get that the same day. I went to go pick that up a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, that's everything that I got done with the LS, plus, you know, wiring and all the good stuff. So I paid $3,700 for this setup. It's a lot of money, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of money. Anything when you're trying to modify a car, it's always gonna be some money. So yes, I paid $3,700 for the complete setup. Pretty much 8 speakers set up with the 212s, amps, the battery, wiring, all of that. So yes, $3,700. I believe each of the subs were about $350. I think the box was like $100, $150. The 2500 watt amp was like $600. The other HIFONICS was like, I think like $300, $400. The kickers was like, I believe like $130 each pair, so from the front and the back. The tweeters was $100. These bullet Pioneer speakers was, I believe, $100 each. And then of course you add in the wiring and labor, and yeah, ran me $3,700. Now I could say, just real quick, just give you guys a review. These subs has been real good. I know you guys are probably wondering, why is this right here? What is this? So this is foam. This keeps that brake light from hitting the glass, because if you are trying to put subwoofers in the LS, this little brake light is going to keep on hitting the glass, and it sounds really loud and you can't even hear the bass. So I put this right here so it'll stop hitting it. A little ghetto setup, but it works. But yeah, the sub sounds really, really good in this car. I know it would hit a lot more harder if it wasn't so insulated in this car, but hey, it is what it is. But it sounds really, really, really good, especially the speakers that now that everything broke in. I actually wasn't happy with the setup when I had first got it. It took a lot of tuning for me, a lot of going back and forth to the radio shop to get buttoned up. But I can actually say that I love my sound system in this car. I do want to go ahead and add another 12, so I want to do 3 12s in here. I also want to add component speakers in here, but that, you know, that'll be down the line, not right now, because I just spent all this money on this car. It's time for me to take a break on this car and worry about the G35, so that's what I plan on doing. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and play some music for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and play probably 2-3 songs, and then we're gonna go ahead and end the video. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know how the way it sounds to you. Like I said in all my previous videos, whenever I do sound tests like this with the subs, it always sounds a lot better in person. And I always recommend, if you are watching it on video, watch it with a sound bar with a sub and turn the sub all the way up, or watch it with over the ear headphones with Beats, or you know, the big Apple headphones or Bose or whatever you got. That's going to be the best quality to watch these type of videos with, instead of just hearing it over your phone speaker or over the TV speaker, because it's going to sound really distorted and it's not going to sound as good. So I always recommend you guys doing that. But let me know in the comments below how you think I did with this system. I do plan on improving it. I do want to go ahead and get like some sound dampening, especially where the license plate you know, be rattling and stuff like that, so it could sound a lot better. I'm gonna add another 12, and I'm gonna be replacing these coax with component speakers down the line. So definitely got a lot of work to do with the Lexus, just overall wheels, you know, lights in the inside. Like it's a whole lot that I need to do. I need to go ahead and get these headlights cleaned again, because on this side is getting pretty dirty again. So a lot of stuff to do with the Lexus, a lot more videos coming out with the Lexus, so I hope you guys are ready for that. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. I got a lot of lit content coming up with the Lexus LS400, so y'all definitely got to stay tuned for that. A lot more videos coming with this car, the G35, G37, you name it, a whole bunch of stuff coming. So definitely stay tuned onto my channel. We going crazy. I'll catch you on the next upload. Peace.